In this video, I am going to reveal those two important skills that will definitely get you a 7+ band score in IELTS speaking. Yes, अगर आपने इन दो skills को अच्छे से master कर लिया, then IELTS speaking will be a piece of cake for you. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Hello friends, my name is Gaurav and welcome to the channel IELTSmate Super Easy. तो जैसा कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा, इस वीडियो में हम उन दो टेक्निक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे जिनसे आप कम से कम 7 बैंड्स तो ले ही लेंगे IELTS स्पीकिंग में. तो हमारी फर्स्ट टेक्निक है ability to digress. What does it mean? It means that you need to move away from the subject and then you need to speak about something else. लेकिन आपको टॉपिक से नहीं हटना है. मतलब you just need to add some extra elements while you speak and then related to the subject. चलिए मैं आपको इसे एक एग्जाम्पल से समझाता हूँ. Let's consider a situation wherein you are sitting for an IELTS speaking exam and the examiner asks you to speak about your last vacation, right? And this is the section 2 of your IELTS speaking exam. Yes, and in this section you need to speak for about 2 minutes, right? I'll give you the two types of responses, right? The first one would be the straightforward, and in the second one I will show you how you can digress, stretch it, and then come back to the topic, right? So first answer would be I visited Goa the last month. Now in this situation, if you want to digress and stretch and present your answer in a very beautiful way, how can you do that? So I'll show you. I am fond of traveling, and ever since I heard about the place Goa, I always wanted to visit there. Last month, my father got an opportunity to go to Goa for a meeting, and then I joined him and I stayed there for a month. See how beautiful it was? You can judge yourself the difference, right? And if you are able to master this technique, then speaking section 2 will not be a problem for you. Now I'm going to show you the second technique that will help you in speaking section 1 and section 3. So the second technique is ability to paraphrase, which means presenting the same information but in a different way, or I would say with your own style. So बहुत ज़रूरी है examiner को ये बताना that you understand his question and you have that ability to present the answer but in a different way. It may seem a little difficult in the beginning, but with a little practice you can actually master it. Just one tip though, while you paraphrase or digress, then do not go out of the subject. The subject should be in focus all the time. Just try to present the same information in the different way or try to add some elements to it. But again, the subject should be in focus. I hope you like the videos. Keep watching because I'm keep on sharing until I make IELTS super easy for you.